Now we are going to see how to remove duplicates from an array. What we are going to do is, we will store the items in the array temporarily in a JavaScript object. You might be knowing that JavaScript object stores key value pairs. So, if we are able to save the array item as key, we can easily remove duplicates. To illustrate this, check this example. Suppose I store the names of people as keys and their ages as values, and I am storing John with age 33, Rose with age 28, and if I again store John with age 45, the value 33 will be overwritten because the key is John and the value will become 45 instead of 33. This way we are going to remove duplicates from an array using a JavaScript object. Let's see how to do this with the help of an example. I have already created a basic HTML. Just added the title remove duplicates from an array. Next we need to have the JavaScript section. So script type equal to text or JavaScript. Next let me add the code inside the onload anonymous function. So window.onload equal to function. This function will be called on the load of the page. Let me create an array with some duplicate values. So var dup array, let me add some names, say John, then Rose, then Aaron and Sarah, then again Rose, then Kevin, and the next be again Sarah. Okay, let this be the array. So we have John, Rose, Aaron, Sarah, Rose, Kevin, Sarah. So the duplicates are Rose and Sarah. So what we need to have as an array at the end, it should be John, Rose, Aaron, Sarah and Kevin. We need to remove Rose and Sarah once. So for that, first what we are going to do is, let me write a function called say remove duplicates, passing this dup array to it. So remove duplicates dup array. I'm going to write the remove duplicates function. Function remove duplicates. I'm going to pass an array to it. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to first create a temporary object. temp object is equal to, it's a object. We are going to store key value pairs to it. I want to store all the items in the array to the temporary object as key. We can store its corresponding value whatever we want. So let me store some 1, 2, 3 values to it. It is of no relevance what we are storing as the value. The main thing is what we are storing as the key. So for I equal to 0, I less than arr dot length, then I plus plus. What should I do here? I need to store these values, that is temp obj of arr of I. Let the value be say j, and I'm going to assign the value where j equal to 1. Then we will increase the value of j inside this. Okay, so here it should be 0. First key, second key, third key, fourth key. Then again the rows comes in, so that this will be overwritten with this value. So only one value will be there as we are using these items in the array as the keys. Now we have the keys in this temporary object. So this temp obj now contains items without duplicates. So we need to get these items. For that, let me create an array where final equal to, it's an empty array as of now. Then I'm going to use the for in loop where key in temp obj, it should be pushed to the final array. So final dot push, okay, push of key. Now the items in the array, this array will be pushed to the final array without duplicates, because the temp obj contains the items in the array without duplicates. Now we need to return final. Okay, so here it should be an array where final array is equal to remove duplicates dup array. Now if we display the values for where or for k equal to 0, k less than final array dot length, then k plus plus alert final array of k, we will get the value. See, we need to get John, Rose, Aaron, Sarah and Kevin. Refresh. John, Rose, Aaron, Sarah, Kevin. Now let me try to display the output in the first array, then the intermediate temp object and the last array. So let me create a function for that. I'm going to write function display. I'm going to create where output. I want to display it in a table format. So table border equal to 1px. Then I want to add heading. So th, let it be key slash th and value. Th value slash th for, okay, I need to get the array here for p in arr output plus equals. I want to add each value as key value. So I'm going to display it as, say, tr, p, tr, it should be td. Then I need to get the value p. Then I have to close the td. Then again start the next td plus arr of p. Then again close the td and tr. Okay, next I need to end the table. Output plus equal to, this is just to see the output clearly, nothing else. We have already done the duplicate removal, but this is just to see the output. Then document dot write output, and then I need to call this function. So here we need to call it as display of dup array. Let me check it. Am I able to see it clearly? Save, refresh. See, okay, we are getting this as well. Okay, see, 0 John, 1 Rose. This is the our first array with duplicates. So let me add a title here. Document dot write, inside this one say h3 array with duplicates. Then I am calling this one. So the first array is displayed. Next, inside this function remove duplicates, let me display this one. So temp obj. For that, display temp obj. File save. And here also I need to add document dot write, say h3. It is temporary array or object. This is the next one. Let me see how it appears. Save. See, we could find that. Okay, let me make a slight change. in the code here, instead of this one, 1, so that will be more clear. Save, refresh. Here we are saving the item as a key and value is just a value. Here it is John 0, rows 4. Why it is so? We have got the value as rows 1 for the first time. But when this loop repeated, when it reaches here, this value will be overwritten because rows is the key here and it will get the value 4. Thus, rows 1 will not be existing, thus removing the duplicate array. Finally, we will display the final array. Instead of this, we will display document dot write h3 array without duplicates, and we will display the final array. Okay, so let me see this now. Refresh. See, we got the first array, that is the array containing duplicates. The duplicate values are Rose and Sarah. Then we kept the values as key value pairs in an object, that was the temp obj, and we just assigned some values, and when we reached the rows here, it overrides this value, and it becomes rows 4, and same is the case with Sarah. When it reaches here, this Sarah with value 3 has been overwritten with Sarah with 6. Thus we got this array John, Rose, Aaron, Sarah and Kevin. Thus we can use the magical property of objects, that is we are using key value pairs to remove duplicates easily. Hope it makes sense.